Is there a sure way to get rid of hiccups? Well, no. However, this method does work 9 times out of 10. First, get a glass of water. Ah, yes, I see, you already have one there. And put some of the water into your mouth. Now plug your ears. Just do it. Now lean over, upside down, and swallow the water.
They're gone!
I told you so.
You may think that I'm just messing with you all, trying to make you do these weird random things, but no, I've only had it not work about 1 or 2 times, but most of the time it does work. For me, that is. Try it out yourself and let me know if it works for you too.